Hey guys, I'm back today with a video to share with you my morning berry smoothie and the benefits of prune juice. I know many of you have been reading about the benefits of prune juice on the web and might have even purchased some in the past for occasional relief of constipation. Let's talk about the benefits of prune juice for just a minute. Prune juice is one of the more nutritious fruit juices. It's made from fresh plums and it packs a lot of amazing benefits, including fiber. One serving of prune juice provides 3 grams of fiber, and this fiber plays an important role in our gut's microbiome. A serving of prune juice provides 5 essential vitamins and minerals to help you balance and maintain your digestive health to help you feel your best. A lot of people wonder how much prune juice should you drink to get the benefits. One serving is a cup, so that's 8 ounces. You can start small, like at 4 ounces, and then go up to a full serving over time. But today's smoothie recipe is a great beginner recipe if you're just getting started with incorporating prune juice into your daily routine. The ingredients are super simple and the blender does the job super fast. I'm gonna pour 2 cups of Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice into my blender. 1 cup of coconut milk, although you can also use almond milk, 1 cup of spinach, and 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and some chia seeds. I like my smoothies really cold, so I'm going to add about a cup or so of ice. Now we blend. Check out the beautiful color in this smoothie. I'm obsessed with this smoothie because it helps me get all the benefits of prune juice in a delicious way everyone in my family likes to enjoy. So see you next time.